So what we're here today for is to evaluate the KCTC students during their culinary exam. We're looking for things like sanitation. We're also looking for things like, are they working cleanly? We're looking at their knife cuts, see how exact their knife cuts are. One of the biggest reasons we're here actually is to provide feedback to the students from sort of real world chefs, if you will. And that's what we're here for, is to give a little bit of real world feedback to the students on things that we see.
So they're all going to take a practical examination. After that practical examination will result in whether or not they earn their Certified Fundamental Cook certification from the American Culinary Federation. The big thing about this certification is outlining the guidelines of what they can and can't do ahead of time, and then honing in on those technical skills, but then also really focusing on time management, multitasking, staying calm under pressure, and problem solving and all those kind of things.
Essentially, we just run it through a bunch of times, get like recipes we prep a few days before, and we just do it until we get comfortable with it, so we're not uncomfortable here.
I love seeing it because it's kind of, you'll have students who maybe day one or day two of practice and they're like, I don't think I can do this. And you're like, no, you can. Let's focus on these things. Let's get the fundamentals down. And then it's really cool to see them grow.
I'm pretty excited to have this opportunity to be able to do it. I feel like a lot of me and my classmates have put in so much time to be here and to get this certificate. I'm very excited to see where people go and what people do with the certificate that they earned today.
It feels amazing, honestly. I poured 2 years of my life into culinary. I really want to expand further and explore. So this is like a really good start of my career, essentially. It's the first rung of the ladder.
I think I'm very prepared. I can do it on my own, so why wouldn't I be able to do it without an audience?